Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' and welcome to the week 11 of the 12 weeks of Halloween. And I'm going to show you this little project that's so easy to put together. I thought about the You've Been Booed. I don't know if you've heard of this, where you can leave treats on somebody's door anonymously, and look at all the treats that fit in there. And so I've made this little pouch before, but never one with a full 12 by 12 sheet of paper. So let's get it started and put it together. So here's a piece from the Toil and Trouble Designer Series paper from the Stampin' Up! Holiday Catalog 2018. And I'm going to take one point and match it to the other across from it and give it a good score. Match up the sides as best as you can. All right, and then you take one side over here and you're going to come across and try to keep that as straight as you can there and give it a good crease. Then take the other point and come across. See if I can get that even and give it a good crease. So now you can see our pouch coming together, but it doesn't need any adhesive. So what you do is you take this front point flap and tuck it into that front pocket, just like that. Push it in as far as you can and then give it a score. And there is a great little pocket that you can use for lots of treats. So I used, to make the little sign here, the brushwork alphabet and my Stamparatus, and I just put a piece of scrap Whisper White in here and did each word one at a time, and I had to use some of the letters twice, so I just picked it up, placed it down, and stamped with Memento Black ink, and then I just cut out around it and glued it onto a piece of gorgeous grape cardstock that would fit. I think it's about 3 by 4, maybe a little longer, 4.5. And decided to dress it up a little bit on the top by fussy cutting one of the little witches from the paper. And this is a layering scallops oval. And I wanted to put that there to kind of reinforce this 1/2 inch circle hole that I punched in the top there. I went through both the cardstock and the designer paper. And then I tied some of our glitter ribbon through there, and you'll see in the photo that it just hangs from the doorknob. So cute. So I just thought that would be a cute idea. It's super easy. You can embellish it like you want. You don't have to do the You've Been Booed. You could just put the little witch down here and present it to someone as a fun gift. Okay, if you have questions, let me know. Visit my website at InkandInspirations.com. I'll have the products that I use to create this listed there, and I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.